The obvious solution is science with me. Science with me. Science with me. Come, let's do some science with me. Together let's hypothesize, experiment, and analyze. We will have sex on. Science with me. Science with me.
Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. The space occupied by matter is called its volume. Matter is all around you in both living and non-living things. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas.
All matter is made up of particles. The particles behave differently depending on whether matter exists as a solid, a liquid, or a gas.
A solid has a definite shape and volume. A solid cannot float. A solid does not take on the shape of its container. A solid cannot be compressed. This means that the volume of a solid cannot be made smaller when it is squished. A liquid has no definite shape. A liquid has a definite volume. A liquid can float. A liquid takes on the shape of its container. A liquid cannot be compressed. This means that the volume of the liquid cannot be made smaller when it is squished.
The gas has no definite shape or volume. The gas can float. The gas takes on the shape of its container. The gas can be compressed. This means that the volume of air becomes smaller when it is squished.
Matter can be changed from one state to another by either heating or cooling.
Now you know that matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Matter can be changed from one state to another by either heating or cooling.
Hey, science with me. Science with me.